everybody, welcome to Micro Layout Minute. Peter the Club's been saying unboxings are very popular these days. This one seemed a bit of a mixed bag. Great result at the end though. Track's really going to maximise operations. Leave comments below and remember to like and